Let's start period 3 in unit 10. What's the time? Here in this period, we want to know what the time is. I want you first to look at these two clocks and please listen to the language presentation.
Track 6, Unit 10, Period 3 and Period 4, Language Presentation. What's the time?
It's 2 o'clock.
What's the time?
It's 6 o'clock.
So again, look at the first clock and tell me what's the time. It's 2 o'clock. Excellent. The second one, what's the time? It's 6 o'clock. Great job. Exercise number 1, listen and write. Here, let's read the speech bubbles between Walid and Hamza. What's the time? It's 1 o'clock. Let's read, please, the numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 o'clock. So here in this exercise, I want you to listen and write the time on the lines. Okay? Please prepare your pencil and listen, then write the time on the lines.
Track 7, Unit 10, Period 3, Activity 1. Listen and write. It's 3 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock.
It's 12 o'clock.
It's 4 o'clock.
It's 6 o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock.
It's 11 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock.
It's 10 o'clock.
It's 7 o'clock.
Now please listen again and check your answers.
Track 7, Unit 10, Period 3, Activity 1. Listen and write. It's 3 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock.
It's 12 o'clock.
It's 4 o'clock.
It's 6 o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock.
It's 11 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock.
It's 10 o'clock.
It's 7 o'clock.
Great job. Now let's move to exercise number 2, listen and circle. In this exercise, we want to listen to the audio, then circle around the time that we listen. Okay? So, let's start. Prepare your pencil and, as I told you, listen and circle the time that you hear.
Track 8, Unit 10, Period 3, Activity 2. Listen and circle.
A,
It's 5 o'clock.
B,
It's 7 o'clock.
C,
It's 12 o'clock.
D,
It's 9 o'clock.
E,
It's 2 o'clock.
F,
It's 8 o'clock.
So, A, it's 4 or 5 o'clock. B, it's 7 or 6 o'clock. C, it's 10 or 12 o'clock. D, it's 11 or 9 o'clock. E, it's 2 or 3 o'clock. F, it's 8 or 1 o'clock. I want you to listen again and check your answers.
Track 8, Unit 10, Period 3, Activity 2. Listen and circle.
A,
It's 5 o'clock.
B,
It's 7 o'clock.
C,
It's 12 o'clock.
D,
It's 9 o'clock.
E,
It's 2 o'clock.
F,
It's 8 o'clock.
Great job. The last exercise here, exercise number 3, say, what's the time? Look at the first clock and tell me, what's the time? It's 4 o'clock. Excellent. The second clock, tell me, what's the time? It's 7 o'clock. Great. The third clock, tell me, what's the time? It's 12 o'clock. Great. And the fourth clock, can you tell me what's the time? Yes, it's 1 o'clock. Excellent. Now here, clock number 5 and clock number 6. I want you to tell me what the time is between you and your friend or your brother or your sister, okay? Work in pairs with your sister or brother or friend. Talk about the time. Thank you. Here, I want you to draw the hands of the clocks. Can we draw the hands? Yes, we can. Let's start with the first clock. The time here, it's written, it's 3 o'clock. Yes, we can draw the hands of this clock. Help me. Yes, so it's 3 o'clock and we draw here the hands of this one. Let's move to the second clock. The time here is written, it's 10 o'clock. Can we draw the hands together? Yes. Excellent. It's 10 o'clock. Great. Thank you. Let's move to period 4 in this unit. What's the time? Here, exercise number 1, read and match. Here we want to match the numbers and numbers in words. For example, 1, okay, like this one, like this example. Can we match between them? Yes, we can. Please prepare your pencil and start matching with me. Let's read the first number. 10. Can we match 10 in words with the number 10? Yes. Excellent. So this is 10. Then we have match number 4, please. Check your answer. Excellent. This is 4. The next one. Let's read it together. 7. Excellent. The next one. Read it, please. 12. Good. Can you match it? Yes, 12. Then we have 9. Can you match 9? Yes, this is 9. Then we have 5. Can we match 5? Check your answer. Excellent. Then we have 2. Can you match 2? Great. Then the next number we have 8. 8. Check your answer. Excellent. And the next one we have 11. Where is 11? Excellent. And the next one, number 3. Can you match? Yes, this is a 3. Great. And the last number we have, number 6. Excellent. Great job. Let's move now to exercise number 2, write. In this exercise, we want to write the time, okay? Before that, let's read the numbers inside the box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. Look at the first clock and tell me what the time is. Yes, it's 3 o'clock. Excellent. Look at the second clock and tell me what's the time? Please choose the time or write the number on the line. Write the correct answer. What's the time? Look at the second clock and tell me what's the time. You can choose the number from the box. Now check your answer. Excellent. It's 6 o'clock. And the third clock, can you tell me what's the time? What's the time? Now check your answer. Excellent. It's 4 o'clock. Great. Now the next clock, tell me what's the time? You can choose the numbers from the box up and write the time down on the lines. What's the time? Check your answer. It's 12 o'clock. Excellent. The next one, what's the time? It's 2 o'clock. Great. And the last one, what's the time? Now check your answer. It's 9 o'clock. Great job. This is your homework for today. I want you to draw these clocks on your copybook. Then write what the time is. Thank you.